Flagship store of Glorieta 4.
Wow!
Starting in January.
OG yan, OG.
Glorieta 4 is a special venue for us. It was our second venue in the Philippines. And Glorieta 4 was our most successful venue, which actually birthed all other time zones after that. Without Glorieta 4, there would have been no time zone in the Philippines. So Glorieta 4, hopefully, if it's on schedule, will open by May, June of next year. It will have a special new attraction made just for time zone. Wow. So it's a beautiful game. I played it in Sydney 2 days ago. So it will be here for Glorieta 4 by May or June of next year. So that will be another interesting venue. That's 1,600 square meters. It will have 8 lanes of bowling and many more new games by the time.
Exactly.
So, yes.
Sir, naalala ko before you